We're the only network, ladies and gentlemen, with a fleet of drones in the air. Stay with us.
A winter weather advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 27 degrees with light snow. Snow showers, low 25, winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
So as you can see, it's nighttime now, and this will probably be the second to last video I make for the night. I'm going to do one more video, and that's going to be driving around Anderson, because my housemate plans to go out at 7:30. So I plan to drive around, and we're going to, well, I don't know, he's going to the store probably, so I like to drive around, see what Anderson looks like when hopefully there's no cars out. Or maybe we'll, I don't want to see this, but maybe we'll see, people driving around in snow. I don't want to see any accidents. That would be not something I want to see, but drivers around Anderson are crazy when it's not snowing, so I can't imagine what they're like when it is, especially when they don't have the right tires for it. But anyways, so this will be the last video that I do with the Weather Channel, and the next video that comes on, will be probably videotaping, looking out the window of the car window, and of Anderson. So here we go. Like I said, it's dark out. It has stopped snowing. Well, the Weather Channel said that it's gonna, it might still be snowing, just can't see it. But anyways. So, I'm going to take a picture of the cars one last time. So that's it. And I will see you later.